It's Yellowstone. Kind of. I mean, I did. Look, bison. Moo! Moo! So I just finished in Montana snowboarding, where my friend's friend passed away in an avalanche last week, and I full set for him. I was going nuts. I was tweaking my methods, woo, like a tweaker. Driving to Canada right now. The border closes at 11. I'm gonna be there at 10:52. It says. So I have to literally just drive the whole way. I don't think I'm gonna make it because I have to fill up gas and stuff soon. Not soon, in under 300 miles, but I think I'll probably just miss it. So I'm gonna post up at the border and sleep there. There's a bunch of ice frozen on my wheels, so it's making the front wheels are unbalanced now because of that, and it makes the whole car shake. Like, can you see? I don't know if you can see, but I can feel it. You can hear it too. See you in Canada, or at the border, I mean. All right, guys. Stopped at the gas station because I couldn't take the vibrations anymore, so I went to go fill up hot water in here to throw it on my wheel to melt the ice. Oh, I missed really bad right there. All right, this big chunky thing right here. Can't kick it off. All right. Oops. Ow! Touched me. Alright. Now let's fill these up with regular water. We'll make some tea because I slept this time. And then I filled up my ice thing for my... Alright, this one's getting the tea. This one's getting the water. Cold. Freezing. Let's go. I'm hungry. I just got denied entry into Canada. Great. I got denied. I got pulled over in Washington. I got a fat ticket. I mean, pulled over in... Closest to Canada I'm going to get. No, I'm so pumped. I just drove like 9 hours to get denied. I'm heated. Where are these people? No, I wanted to spend a day and like a week in Canada. I'm so fucking bummed. Oh, I fucking hate records. I need to clear my record. Damn it. I got denied. Canada? Yeah. And I guess a misunderstanding.
Where were you headed?
To Castle Mountain, Whitewater, and Silver Star, and Banff National Park.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
California, Los Angeles.
So what are you doing up here?
I'm on a snowboarding road trip trying to win a contest, and they have a bunch of mountains up here that's part of it. So now I can't hit them. And now I might lose.
Alright, just go ahead and park in our parking lot and come in the door, right?
Okay. This is some bull again. Yo, this is retarded. the trip's not going as planned, but I still love it. It's fun. I'll do it again. I don't care. When my windshield gets too dirty and I can't see, I just drive really close to other cars so the water splashes, and then I could use the wipers because the water is still frozen, so it's not shooting out. Didn't stop to get food because this place has only an hour and a half left, and it just started snowing. See? GoPro's kind of crap. Whatever. Anyway, I wonder if that's my car that smells. Let's check it out. I've been running this car too hard. Way too hard.
What happened?
Nothing.
Oh yeah.
Just been driving it really hard and far, and I haven't checked the oil one time. It's just starting to smell. So I was in Yellowstone, then I went to Canada. No, so I just came back here.
What? Why didn't I enter?
I have a. No, I have a. That was a misunderstanding, and it was dismissed, but it still wouldn't let me in. Yeah.
Not too bad.
I know. I drove like 7 hours for that. Yeah. So now I'm here right for the last hour and a half.
Yeah. Well, don't freeze me down.
Oh, well, thank you. Back in Idaho. Schweitzer Mountain. Got the last hour and a half. Here's my oatmeal. This is all I've eaten in like 8 hours, other than a granola bar. Let's send it. My sticker's still rocking from last year. Ride for Blake, oh boys, March 2nd, 2018. I'll show you guys the sticker after. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this right now. Rules. So we're about to get to Stevens Pass in Leavenworth, Washington. We're near there, almost near Spokane. Super tired. I've been driving for like 13 hours. I was at the top of Montana, Canada. I drove all the way through Montana, like a lot of it, all the way through Glacier National Park. And then I went through Idaho, and then I snowboarded at Idaho, and then I've been driving I drove all through Washington, and now I'm about to get to the end and go to sleep because I'm tired. But yeah, I haven't been driving in snow for quite some time. Well, a day and a half, but now there's some again. Getting pretty good at driving in the snow, I'd say. I can go fast, which is not a good thing. Let's pick up.